Join me as I dive deep into the latest trends and predictions for UNH stock right now. Can I figure out what's really going on? Unitedhealth Group, or UNH, is one of the biggest players in the healthcare industry, and its stock performance can give us a lot of insight into the overall health of the market. As an investor, it's crucial to stay on top of what's happening with UNH stock, especially given the constant changes in the healthcare landscape. With that in mind, let's take a closer look at what's driving the current trends and challenges facing UNH stock. UNH stock has been facing some tough times lately, with market volatility being a major concern. The healthcare industry is highly regulated, and any changes to laws or policies can have a significant impact on stock prices. For instance, recent proposals to reform the Affordable Care Act have caused some uncertainty in the market. Economic factors, such as rising healthcare costs and an aging population, are also putting pressure on the stock. The COVID-19 pandemic has been another major challenge for UNH stock, as it has forced the company to adapt to changing consumer behavior and government policies. With many people losing their jobs or switching to government plans, UNH has had to navigate a shifting landscape. Furthermore, the increasing competition in the healthcare industry from new entrants and existing players has made it harder for UNH to maintain its market share. These challenges have been weighing on UNH stock, causing it to fluctuate in value. So, what's driving these trends, and what can we expect in the future? Let's take a look at some recent data and trends to get a better sense of what's happening. UNH recently reported its quarterly earnings, which showed a mixed bag. While the company beat expectations on revenue, it missed on earnings per share. The market reaction was immediate, with the stock dropping in response. However, some analysts see this as a buying opportunity, citing UNH's strong track record and diversified business model. A deeper dive into the earnings report reveals that UNH's health services business is performing well, but its insurance arm is facing some headwinds. Looking at the bigger picture, the healthcare industry is undergoing some significant changes, with a growing focus on value-based care and digital health. UNH is well positioned to take advantage of these trends, with its vast network of healthcare providers and insurance plans. However, the company still faces some significant challenges, including intense competition and regulatory uncertainty. For example, UNH's recent acquisition of DaVita Medical Group has expanded its presence in the healthcare services market. One of the most compelling insights into UNH stock right now is its resilience in the face of adversity. Despite the challenges, UNH has consistently demonstrated its ability to adapt and innovate. A recent announcement about a major new partnership could be a turning point for the stock, as it expands UNH's reach into new markets and provides a boost to its earnings. In terms of market analysis, some experts believe that UNH stock is undervalued, given its strong fundamentals and growth prospects. Others, however, are more cautious, citing the risks associated with regulatory changes and market volatility. As with any investment, it's essential to do your own research and consider multiple perspectives before making a decision. To wrap things up, the key points to take away are that UNH stock is facing some significant challenges, but it's also well positioned for long-term growth. As an investor, it's essential to stay informed about the latest trends and developments in the healthcare industry. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out my other video on stock market trends for more insights. Share your thoughts on UNH stock in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.